is the way of our life, right? That is our religion, that is our beautiful Islam. So without further ado, I shall be introducing the guests over here. And the first one actually I have over here is a miracle. He's a very young mind, mashallah, but he's a Hafiz-e-Quran. And not just that, since mashallah, I know a lot of people who are Hafiz-e-Quran, but mashallah, he's so talented. You just open Quran from one page. You put your finger on an ayat, you ask him the number of the ayat, he will recite it for you. He can tell you what surat the ayat is from. You just open one page and he can recite the entire page for you. Mashallah, it's really interesting to actually be in the company of someone like that, to be inspired from someone like that. Thus, ladies and gentlemen, right away I'm bringing him to your screens. He is none other than Hafiz Abdul Wahab. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Wa alaikum assalam. I'm fine.
Thank you so much for coming to our show. And mashallah, you are a wonder. I was reading about you and well, I just want to say, mashallah, you are so inspirational. We will get to testing you, but after 5 minutes, okay? Just let me introduce your amazing teachers over here. Next to Abdul Wahab, ladies and gentlemen, we happen to have one of the Islamic teachers over here. She's a teacher, yes, and also an award holder for the kind of information and knowledge she has about the book Quran as well. She's none other than Qaria Asma Zahid. Hello, assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Welcome to our show. Next to Miss Asma, we have another Qaria over here. She happens to be a teacher as well, also an award holder. She is Qaria Minhaj Rauf. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Okay, so Miss Asma, Jummah hai. Let's start our day with the beautiful tilawat from Quran Pak, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والسابقون السابقون أولئك المقربون في جنات النعيم ثلة من الأولين وقليل من الآخرين على سرر موضونة متكئين عليها متقابلين ويطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون بأكواب وأباريق وأباريق وكأس من معين لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون وفاكهة مما يتخيرون ولحم طير مما يشتهون وحور عين كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون جزاء بما كانوا كانوا يعملون لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما صدق الله العظيم.
जज़ाकल्लाह मिस आसमा, बहुत खूबसूरत माशाल्लाह आपने तिलावत की. I think this actually did set a mood for our entire day, right? Inshallah, I really hope you all have an amazing day. But now getting on to our little star over here, Hafiz Abdul Wahab. Abdul Wahab, when did you start learning the Quran by heart?
I started learning the Quran by heart on 26th May.
Okay, this year?
No,
Okay, which year?
2018.
Mashallah, very nice. So did you enjoy the process?
Really.
Really? That's nice. So, of course, I will definitely ask you about the Quran itself, but this is a personal question. Do you think that after learning the Quran, did you have any changes in your personality?
Yes. After learning the Quran, my personality has really changed. First of all, before learning the Quran, I always shout and didn't respect the elders, but after learning the Quran, my this habit changed, and now
Wow.
I respect the elders.
Mashallah, that's
And
really nice.
when we read the Quran, that it's a feeling that our heart is always in peace.
It is, right? This is what I was talking about. It is so. And you also feel that there is a straight connection with Allah in you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have, of course, I mean, each and every single word, or rather harf of Quran is beautiful, but do you have that one favorite surah that you're always reciting, jiska matlab aapke dil ke bahut kareeb ho?
Surah Rahman, Surah Yasin, Surah Waqia,
Right.
and Surah Mulk.
That's beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, Abdul Wahab, I'm going to request your teacher, Miss Asma, to question you. This is going to be sort of a rapid fire question, and this is really exciting because you guys, I keep telling you, Abdul Wahab over here is a star child. He really is, and he's going to prove it. So Miss Asma, ask away. कुछ भी पूछें आप इससे. कोई आयत पूछें, कोई सूरत पूछें. And yes, here you go. Are you ready, Abdul Wahab?
Yes.
Let's do it.
पहले पारे में कितने रुकू हैं?
First para contains 16 rukus and 141 verses. Only one surah is present, and the name of surah is Surah Baqarah, and Surah Baqarah was revealed in Medina. And first para is in Manzil 1. Manzil 1 contains 5.25 paras. It contains 106 pages. It contains 85 rukuas, and it contains 669 ayahs.
Wow.
माशाल्लाह.
Yes, Miss Asma, next question.
इस सूरत अल-अनफाल की 5 रुकू पढ़ें.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل للذين كفروا وما كان صلاتهم عند البيت إلا مكاء وتصدية فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون.
सूरत तौबा की 3 पेज.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قاتلوهم يعذبهم الله بأيديكم ويخزهم وينصركم عليهم ويشف صدور قوم مؤمنين.
So what if Miss Asma asks, she reads out an ayah and then you tell which surah is it from? Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
सु-
आप आया पढ़ेंगी, वो सूरह बताएगा.
वमिनहुम मन यस्तमिऊन इलैक, ये कौन सी सूरत है?
It's Surah Yunus, and the ayah of Surah Yunus is 42,
Wow, mashallah.
and it's para number 11.
Mashallah.
माशाल्लाह. सूरत यूसुफ की 2 पेज 3 से
From
2
where?
पेज सूरत यूसुफ.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قال يا بني لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيدوا لك كيدا إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين.
MashaAllah.
ما شاء الله.
Last two questions. Let's do it, Miss Asma.
قال فخرج منها فإنك رجيم. ये कौन सी सूरत है?
Surah Hijr and Surah Swad. In both surahs this ayah comes.
Wow.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
Okay.
Okay, that is brilliant. Miss Asma, how would you rate Abdul Wahab? Will you give him a 5-star?
Yes.
That's very nice. MashaAllah, this is brilliant, Abdul Wahab. So who taught you this? Who has been your teacher throughout?
Qari Muhammad Zahid has been my teacher
Yeah.
throughout 2 years.
MashaAllah.
And I'm really thankful to him. And I'm really thankful to the principal of the institute, Sadiq Public School,
Yes.
Sarasi Chima.
Okay.
May Allah
that's
bless
nice.
him.
Ameen.
And all the other Hafiz and Qaris who helped me in this particular task. I'm really thankful to them, and my parents. I'm really thankful to them, and in the end, I'm really thankful to Almighty Allah, because
course.
without His help, it's not possible.
It is absolutely true. But Abdul Wahab, can I tell you one thing? While yes, of course, you did a great job, and you are going to take your family members with you in the Jannah, yes, but you are an inspiration, and I'm so happy to say that, actually, that you're so well spoken, mashallah. You know the Quran, you know your ethics, and you know the worldly knowledge as well, mashallah. That is brilliant. But if I could move on to Qaria Minhaj over here. Ma'am, could you share with us, when did you learn your Quran by heart? Who taught you?
I learned Quran Pak from my brother.
Okay, your brother, mashallah.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. When was that? Kab? Okay, it's been few years, and now you're a teacher, right?
Teacher's name.
No, you
Teacher
are a
at-
teacher now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. So, Qaria Minhaj, you're also an award holder, माशाल्लाह. तो आप किरत करती हैं, तिलावत करती हैं, और उसके अलावा बच्चों को कुरान सिखाती हैं, हिफ्स कराती हैं बच्चों को कुरान, माशाल्लाह. बहुत अच्छी बात है, और अल्लाह आपको इसकी जज़ा दुनिया में और आखिरत में ज़रूर देगा इंशाल्लाह. मिस आसमा, आपने कब कुरान को हिफ्स किया था?
मैं 10 साल की थी कि मैंने हिफ्स किया था.
माशाल्लाह, अच्छा.
जी, मैं दुबई से हिफ्स मुकम्मल किया था.
जी जी
और अब तक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं क़िरात के शोबे से ताल्लुक़ रखती
जी
हूँ.
जी.
क़िरात में अभी भी यानी ख़ुद अपने साथ ना पढ़ती हूँ उस्ताज़ों से,
अच्छा अच्छा,
और बहुत ज़्यादा शौक़ है मुझे,
माशाल्लाह.
और मैं इदारा भी चलाती हूँ अपना.
Achha. That's nice. You have your own institute. That's
Yes.
really nice. And you know, Miss Asma over here said that she's actually really fond of doing Qira and Tilawat. And you know, when actually you feel like doing something so good from your own heart, you are best at it. And शायद यही वजह है Miss Asma कि हमने अभी आपकी तिलावत सुनी, so beautiful, mashallah. It's because you love doing it, right? So आपको मलेशिया से माशाल्लाह अवार्ड भी मिला था.
जी जी,
वो भी बताएं हमें.
मैं पाकिस्तान पोजीशन होल्डर हूँ,
अच्छा,
फर्स्ट पोजीशन.
तिलावत में.
जी जी, तिलावत में.
ठीक है, माशाल्लाह.
और इस साल भी मेरी कंपटीशन हुआ था,
हाँ,
फर्स्ट पोजीशन, यानी मैं 4-5 दफ़ा पोजीशन ले चुकी हूँ.
माशाल्लाह.
और मलेशिया एक दफ़ा जा चुकी हूँ, दूसरी दफ़ा अभी है मेरा.
और दोबारा से
जी
awards
जी,
हो-
दोबारा
ओह
से.
माशाल्लाह, गुड लक. इंशाल्लाह दोबारा आप जीतेंगी. आप प्राइड ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैं,
जी.
आप तीनों बल्कि माशाल्लाह से. बट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी रियली हैव टू सॉर्ट ऑफ रैप दिस सेगमेंट अप. सो बिफोर दैट, Hafiz Abdul Wahab, we are going to wrap the segment, but I want to ask you, is there a message you want to give to the youths of Pakistan right now, because so many of them are watching you?
Anything you watch on YouTube and other on TV, that a boy is learning Quran in a unique form, never think that you can't do this. You can do anything. You just need to have the potential, and you need to work hard.
Absolutely, that is so brilliant. And Abdul Wahab, you spoke about one thing very important. You know, we live in a time where we get to have a lot of information on either YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatnot. But it is our duty to see what is right and wrong. Can I tell you guys one thing? Harvard, the most reputed educational institute, actually declared Quran to be the best book about insaf, or about, I don't know how to call it, about justice or equality. Isn't that beautiful? So each and every single person, not only Muslims, whoever has read and understood Quran for the first time, he knows what Quran is talking about. He must know that our religion is all about peace. Miss Asma, आप क्या मैसेज देंगी पाकिस्तानी यूथ को खास करके? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यूथ बिकॉज 64% यूथ है हमारी कंट्री में, और वो हमारे फ्यूचर लीडर्स हैं.
मैं पाकिस्तान को ये मैसेज दूंगी कि हर बच्चा कुरान पाक को तजवीद के साथ पढ़ें,
बिल्कुल
इसलिए कि इसमें दुनिया और आखिरत की कामयाबी है।
जी
और हमें ये क़िरत मकामात वगैरह के लिहाज से बहुत आगे जाना चाहिए।
जी।
जैसे बाहर ममालिक में देख चुकी हूँ, बहुत आगे हैं, और पाकिस्तान को भी इसमें आगे जाना चाहिए। मैं ये मैसेज देती हूँ कि यानी वालिदैन अपने बच्चों पर ज़रूर तवज्जो दें।
Mashallah. Thank you so much for saying that. And yes, that is true. Actually, I just learned that there are international competitions held for Tilawat where you go.
Yes.
It's a great step, right? So for all of the parents who are actually thinking to or probably are confused about either letting their kid go to, Hifz the Quran Pak, first of all, there's no questions. Of course, this is the most beautiful deed you can make your child do. Just make sure they do it. And then, well, international recognition is one thing that will encourage them even more to, of course, learn about the religion. But towards the end, Qaria Minhaj Rauf, ma'am, आप, if you don't mind, आप तिलावत के साथ अगर ये segment wrap up कर दें.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. حميم. تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز العليم. غافر الذنب وقابل التوب شديد العقاب ذي الطول. لا إله إلا هو إليه المصير. ما يجادل في آيات الله إلا الذين كفروا فلا يغررك تقلبهم في البلاد. كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح والأحزاب من بعدهم وهمت كل أمة برسولهم ليأخذوه وجادلوا بالباطل ليدحضوا به الحق فأخذتهم فكيف كان عقاب.
Jazakallah.
صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu Azim, Jazakallah. बहुत खूबसूरत माशाल्लाह आपने तिलावत की. And thank you so much for being here, all three of you. May you make Pakistan even more proud, and all three of you are actually contributing a lot, not just to our country, but also towards enlightening people about our religion. But ladies and gentlemen, you know what? Pakistani youth never fails to amaze me. Almost every other day I come across stories of how amazing things, not only, well, of course, they're doing in their lives, but they're setting a record that their youngsters can follow as well. And it's just beautiful to see. A few days ago, actually, my team actually came across two twin sisters who are traveling all over the world and are writing and also filming a travelogue about it. How interesting is that? You know what? I'm going to share it with you guys, but right after this very short break. So stay tuned to meet with these amazing sisters. Good morning.